Hi everyone, this is my very first do-it-yourself video, and what I'm going to show you is a method that I actually learned on YouTube on how to fix lighting cables whose cable have worn off. The reason I'm doing it again is that this other video actually only showed the final result because he didn't actually believe that it was going to work. I'm going to try and show you the whole process. And I'm going to give, of course, credits to the actual person that came up with it. So the ingredients for this are, first of all, a worn-out lightning cable. It has to work. If it no longer works, then this is not going to fix it. A heating tube. This is something you can get off, I guess, Radio Shack or any electronics store. Shouldn't cost more than $1 for a few feet. You only need a couple of inches of it per lightning cable that you want to fix. A hair blower or any heat gun would do. And in my case, since I got a tube which is a bit too narrow, this is a 5mm one, I'm going to use this device, this, I don't know, fancy plier, I don't know what the name of it is, in order to make it a bit bigger. If you get the 8mm one, I guess that you will not need this device. Anyway, the first step is to cut enough of this heating tube to cover the faulty parts of the cable. So I'm going to cut about 5 centimeters, about a couple of inches. And now that's the most difficult part. I'm going to actually make it big enough so that I can put it on to the cable. So I'm just going to put this in and expand it. So you see it got quite a bit bigger, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and if all goes well, it should be big enough for the lightning cable to slide through. So let's see. Yep, that worked quite fine, and it's sliding through at relative ease. So that was the most difficult part. Now you essentially put this on the end of the cable, so before the lightning head, but you should cover that somewhat thicker part here so that everything is protected. So you cover the whole thing, and essentially the only thing left is to use that hair blower or heat gun and essentially make this plastic wrap tightly around the cable. So let's give it a try. Okay, what we have now is the plastic tightly wrapped around the lightning cable. It's pretty solid, wouldn't move, and essentially the installation issues of this cable are gone. It's now fully protected, and I'm going to try out that it actually works, but since it worked before, I would expect it to still work after this fix. Thank you very much, and I hope you find this useful. Bye bye.